What's up, everybody? Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you all the stuff I picked up at a garage sale today. I'm going to go through the process of taking pictures, and I'm going to show you how I list them, what I do, and it's all going to be on my Poshmark link in the description. So if you like this video, like and subscribe. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to show you what I got today. I only paid a total of 20 bucks at this single garage sale. And we're starting off finding this Marlboro lunch bag. Pretty cool find there. Got this Spanish in months learning kit, CD language course. It's complete in there. Got the pamphlet. Pretty cool. Then we ended up finding these. These are Gone with the Wind 50th anniversary. And it says they're limited edition. They're all sealed. I ended up finding not only one, but I found 5 of these bad boys. And he was only selling them for $1 each. And I believe they sell from anywhere from $15 to $30. So I felt like that was a good pickup on my end. Moving on, we also grabbed well, first we grabbed this too. Little pencil bag, Walt Disney. We got this Disney Magic Kingdom Club 1987 bag. We got this sealed Deluxe Cav Laserdisc Edition Snow White and the 7 Dwarves Disney Masterpiece Laserdisc Edition, sealed, 75 chapter stop. Here's the back of that. That one's looking like 20 to 50 bucks around there. Haven't even looked this up. But we got this Care Bear here. This Care Bear, slightly damaged box. As you can see, it's pulling in. Has a CD in there. Haven't even looked this up yet. Box is caved in on the bottom a little bit. It's got the barcode on there. Pretty cool find. We also ended up picking up a few of these sealed VHS tapes. I believe we got 10 of them. They're all sealed. He did 5 for $1. So with that being said, I picked up all of the sealed ones that they had due to the fact that they were so cheap. We got Bugs Bunny up in here. Sorry for the glare of the light. Foghorn Leghorn. We had 2 of those. Elmer Fudd. And Crusader Rabbit and Goofy Gophers. All sealed VHS tapes. Moving on, we ended up picking up 3 of these Jeff Gordon Winter Circles die-cast cars. 1 to 87 scale. Got 3 of those bad boys. All, let me see, they're all the same car, all the same one. Moving on, we picked up 2 of these Pepsi watches in their cases. Pretty cool. Got the yellow and blue, the watches. And we got 2 other, well, we did have 2 other, but this one's strap looks like it broke in the in the moving process, but that's okay. We got this baseball Bugs Bunny Looney Tunes watch here. Pretty cool. And check it out. Look at this coffee mug right here. This is from, no date on it, but, oh yes there is, 1992. It's a little sticky, needs to get cleaned up. But I couldn't pass up on that mug. And our final product, we got this Star Wars R2-D2 glue stick. pretty cool. I love R2-D2, so I may or may not keep this. Pretty cool. So yeah, we'll get into the picturing process and then the listing process, and I'll run through all of that for you. But one more thing I wanted to show you before is I purchased 2 shirts off of Whatnot. I paid $12 in total for both. We ended up picking up this vintage dolphin shirt with the AAA tag. Pretty nice shirt, blank back. Picked this one up for $1. And the one I spent more on is this Kanye West Mercedes-Benz long sleeve Donda t-shirt, size large. Check it out, got the Donda on the back. 7/22/2021 Mercedes. This is a really nice piece. I think I ended up paying $12 to $13 for this one. Maybe a little less. I'll have to go back and look, but those are pieces I got grabbed on Whatnot there. And all the rest of this stuff, paid 20 bucks for at a garage sale. So, let's get right into the listing. Here's a tip for everybody that's using Poshmark. Sharing other people's products. Yes, it helps you become an ambassador, and I guess it's a goal you can do, but necessarily you don't need to be doing that. What I found out that works best for me to get sales is if I share my own closet and I try to reach the maximum sharing amount per day. That way it keeps your stuff at the top of the search, so when people search for like Nike or something, your item should be put at the top of the search when you share it. As well as posting consistently almost every day helps you get sales. Make sure you always send offers. If you don't want to send one every day, that's fine. Send one like every 3 days or every week or however you want to do it. But I've learned more people buy when you send offers anyways. So the trick for me is, what I like to do is every day I send a 10% discount offer with $5.95 shipping, and usually I can get 1 to 2 sales in between there. But usually at the end of the week I like to go up a little higher and do 20% discounts. And some items that are listed for cheaper amounts, they're not going to let you do that obviously because you won't be making anything. So the trick is you want to go into the let me just show you real quick. You can go right into, go to your closet. You click the tool button. You say, make offer to liker. Do 20%, $5.95 shipping. Click next. And I believe the lowest you can have it is $7 or $8 for an offer. So you go into here, click on price, go to the minimum here, and you type in, well, I guess you can't really see it. Anyways, you go to your settings and you go into price and you click on 7. That way, when you send it, it won't, when it's sending them to the people, it's not going to say this item is invalid to send. And that way it'll just be quicker, so you can just have it done without having to tap your screen, and it can just do it in the back for you. Also, if you select all on your phone, it selects every item, and then you just scroll and you can get every single item in there that has likers. That way you can have every single one done at once rather than just tapping on every single one like what you used to have to do. So with that being said, with the pictures done, I'm going to get to listing them, and I'm going to show you guys the listings at the end of the video. So thank you all for watching, and if you're interested in seeing the listings, stick around and like and subscribe. If there's something you didn't like, comment below. Thank you for watching, and peace.